It's a Stark Varg day for my boy Chambered Weed Hits. This is our other boy 72 Volt Cole, and he's actually building these trails here. These trails. He's got freaking woods.
Varg's only.
Varg's
only.
You see who's really hyped for the Varg today.
Varg's only out here,
no,
bruh.
No Tularius?
Wait, 30 days, let's go. I'm gonna have one too.
Oh my god, no way.
Bro.
Just wait for like a couple more months and these trails are like really gonna be dialed, but you got a little step up here.
It's gonna be a huge berm right there. Where you're standing, where your bike is gonna be a huge berm.
I mean, it's pretty steep right there, you just don't see it, you know. Y'all see it. He's gonna go, hey, go get your Tularia. Go get your Tularia and show him how it looks. Tell us a little bit about your setup here. What do we got? What battery do we got?
We got a Tri-Titan Max 72 volt.
Okay. If you come over the middle, what do you get?
TC1000.
Okay. What about the forks?
FW2.
Okay.
We got the all torque display. I got a Fast Ace V2s, 2.0s.
It's got some money in this.
Milk Racing 1619 motor split. Wolf 9 bars. Stemlock bar mount peg. Got the foot brake. Let's not forget the Volar front and rear with the Volar foot brake. Oh, no gut seat. Can't forget the gut
Definitely
seat.
a pretty solid build here. This thing is sweet.
Never seen another one like it. So.
Nope. See how it compares to the Stark Varg in a race.
I don't.
This is where the Varg will be built.
You're in trouble.
A little freaking air conditioned or heated space. Convenient. Varg boy!
Varg.
Go.
This is me.
Unloading this thing now. Alright.
Alright, well everybody's in here. Everybody give a nice thanks to
Hold up.
Cody.
Everything we need.
Nuh-uh.
Comes with it.
No shot.
Wait, really?
Fucking YouTube. Stark Varg showed up fucking broken.
Me and Dave are starting YouTube.
That's not normal.